Hello, good morning, dear. How have you been? I hope you all are doing great. So, let me tell you a small story. When one day I was looking my phone, then I saw a status that is related to I think RJ Karthik because yeah, that status one of my friend he put it this status on his WhatsApp. There is a thought. So first I will try to convert that thought in English, and then I will tell you in Hindi because for learning this language just whatever I see around me, whatever is happening around me, just I always try to make that all in English. So with that help I can learn and I can easily improve my spoken and I can easily learn this speaking language. So let's continue. If I convert this thought in Hindi, you feel like very nostalgic, you feel like very upper level thought. Listen listen in Hindi. औरों के मुकाबले कुछ ज्यादा पाया तो नहीं मैंने. यस माय डियर. कि औरों के मुकाबले कुछ ज्यादा पाया तो नहीं मैंने. मैं खुद गिरता रहा, संभलता रहा, मगर किसी को गिराया नहीं मैंने. Exactly, dear, this is the thought in Hindi. And if I try to make this thought in English, and it's sound like that. If okay, listen. I may not have gained much compared to others. I may not have gained much compared to others. I always fall in and picking myself up. I never pushed anyone else down. This is the English, yaar. This is the English. Exactly. It's the English because it's a just thought which I tried convert in English. It may be right or wrong. I don't know, but just I tried. Okay, so I wanna tell you one thing. If you wanna learn this language, then you have to convert everything in English. Yeah, why you are feeling so coy? Because there is no anyone here to judge us. If we are doing a mistake, doesn't matter. Yeah, we all are learner. Why you are feeling so awkward after doing mistakes in your videos? Yeah, no one is perfect in this whole world. No one. So don't feel any kind of things. Just whatever you are looking and whatever is happening around you, just try to convert that all everything in English. If you want to learn this language, and if you don't want to learn this language, just let it everything. You don't need watch any kind of videos. Even you don't need any kind of, you can understand, yeah. If you don't want to learn this language, then why you prefer the English content? I think no one can't prefer the English content if no one can't learn this language. Okay, so this was the thought I tried in English, and I will meet you in another video. So as you can see behind me, this one railing, is looks like a Tyndall effect. This looks like a Tyndall effect. I think you all have heard about the Tyndall effect because we all learnt in our classes, school classes, Tyndall effect. And you can see upper side this one. See, like on the top of my fingers, there is just sun rises from the east. Sun rises in the east. It looks better. Okay, so thank you, dear. Have a great day, and I will meet you in another video. Okay, until that, keep learning this language because practice makes man perfect, and speaking comes by speaking. Okay, तो बोलने से ही बोलना आता है, प्रैक्टिस से ही सब कुछ होगा. So don't feel any kind of things. Okay. So I think my camera's mic is blinking, start blinking. So I think it's about to die. Battery has been finished. So thank you, dear. Have a great day, and we will meet you in again. We will meet you in again video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.